everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. As always, as you can already see in today's videos, this is just a simple unboxing of something that I got. That's not a good way to put it. It's a simple unboxing of an item that I'm putting into my inventory pretty much. So to make a long story short, I've been trying to get some Chivalry chairs for the last few months, but what I've been doing is stalking Marketplace, trying to see if they had some that I could get at a discounted price. If you're familiar with these chairs, they are very expensive. They can run you like $80 to $90. So I wanted some that I can get on Marketplace that were still nice, still affordable, and still could be a build or add-on to my inventory. So I'm making this video. I don't feel like it's necessary, but my friend Brooke, my best friend Brooke, she got on me and she told me anytime I do something regarding business to share it with you all, because you guys, I owe it to y'all to watch me grow, because y'all have been with me since the very beginning. So to backtrack a little bit, I did purchase another storage. So I have two storages now. One of them is used just for my furniture, which is like my throne chairs, my kids Chivalry chairs, my adult Chivalry chairs, extra tables, and a few other items like the backdrop stands and stuff. And then the other storage is used strictly for linen, centerpieces, drapes, glasses. All of that stuff is in that storage, and I actually put shelving all the way around. And some of y'all probably gonna get me because y'all would have enjoyed that video, because I added 4 more shelves to the other side, and I got them from Sam's for half the price of what I got from my other shelves. So I almost regret doing that, but that's neither here nor there. All of them are purchased, they're already installed in there. So I did want to backtrack and give y'all some insight on that. Again, with my story, so I found 2 sellers on Facebook Marketplace that were selling Chivalry chairs. One of them was selling gold ones for $35 a piece. She was maybe an hour and a half away from me. The sale fell through. She didn't sell them to me. They still pending online, so I don't even know I don't know. And then I found another seller that was about an hour away from me who was going to sell some, and she was selling them for $40 a piece, which is still not a bad cost or bad price, because they run like $80. So I got the U-Haul, was headed to get them in, and she didn't respond, took them offline. So I said, you know what? I'm just going to use the money that I had set aside to purchase those to get my own Chivalry chairs. So I went ahead and got the white Chivalry chairs, and if you need the link, I will include the link. They were on sale on Amazon. This time I was not going to go to Amazon first. I was going to go to actual wholesale websites, but those chairs are really expensive. They were like $85 a chair. I found them on Amazon for two. It was 2 for $112, which broke down to like $56 a chair. I purchased 40 because that's the baseline of my baby shower packages. I offer it to 40 people, and if you build on that, that'll be extra. We address all of that way. So this is just a time-lapse unboxing video of me pulling out these chairs. I think they're great quality. I am actually talking from the future to the past, because I recorded this already and I looked a mess. I had to look like something. So you'll see me with a different outfit and everything going through these. But they did package 4 large boxes with 8 in each, and then they gave me 4 small boxes with 2 in each. So again, if you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you get notified when I upload videos like this. Enjoy the rest of this video, and thank you again for stopping by my channel. don't have a lot of space, but this is 40 Chivalry chairs. And I want to show y'all something because I feel like some people are going to say, well, why didn't you keep those chair covers on? They can protect the chair covers. They're actually doing more damage than they are helping. Because you see how it's scuffed up right here. I can take a magic eraser and get that off. But by them being stacked up, that black from that cover is rubbing off on the actual white versus it's being stacked on the white chair itself. Ain't nothing of a different color to rub off on itself. So yeah, I'm excited about these, y'all. Y'all know what's crazy is I really should start showing y'all like the start to finish of what I go through, because I just and now just I ain't got my watch on. I think it's like 8:30. I'm just now getting to my storage to grab the stuff that I need for tomorrow. So let me get my thoughts together. My wife has the van. When she comes, I'll take the Chivalry chairs I'm not using and put them in here. And then I'll start loading up what I actually need for tomorrow. It's not a lot. In my mind, I always mentally make it seem like it's a lot, but it's not a lot that I need. Most of what I needed was the chairs, and the chairs are already in the back of the U-Haul. I've been having an issue with U-Haul lately. I've been trying to get the cargo van, which is $19.95 and 59 cents a mile, to do my events. But every location or every time I do truck share, which is when you can get it after hours, they never have my key. So they'll call me or I'll call them. What they'll do is give me a bigger size truck for the same price, and they'll take some off the top for me. So I don't care about that as long as I can always get a vehicle. I really need to stop doing that though, because I don't want a time to come where they can't do that. Like find me another truck locally. But for the last 3 or 4 times I've been having this mishap, they've been able to compensate me and make an accommodation. I want to show y'all what I was talking about as far as my storage real quick. And I hate that this is going to be like a lengthy talking part of this video, but everything else be time lapse. And if I never open up my mouth and tell y'all my updates, y'all will never know what I got going on. So this is, I got my kids' Chivalry chairs right here, my golden white throne. I'm about to get a black throne chair because I think somebody's going to book me for an event in May that requires me to have a black chair. And I found a distributor that's close by that I can go get, which is 2.5 hours away, which I don't mind driving. And it's a fair price for the chair, and it looks nice. I talked to him last night. So I have my silver ones, my egg chairs, my 2 small wicker fan, not even fan back, but wicker, I don't know what you call them. You know what I mean. I got those chairs, and the stuff in the back is my personal stuff. So let me show you what I got over here. Let me hurry up because my wife calling me. This is where I was telling y'all I'm making this just for my linen and stuff.